Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a visual guide step by step working for all the Hisense A5 and A7 models and generally all the Chinese phones that most of the time have two main problems. First of all, they have only English and Chinese language, and I will show you how to translate all the apps in your favorite language. Second problem, most of the Chinese phones don't come with Google Play Store pre-installed, and we're going to use a workaround to make most of the Google apps work. In the last part of the video, I will show you how to remove all the bloatware in all the Hisense devices. If you have missed my review about Hisense A5 Pro CC and how to install any app, just click here to watch it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you will not miss my next videos. This video was made in collaboration with Davide. He created a website which has a lot of interesting contents and news about e-ink devices. You will also find his link in the description below. Hisense A5 Pro CC has only English and Chinese language. If you prefer to use your own language, you can use an app called More Local 2 that can help you, and it will translate all the apps. First of all, we have to enable the debugging mode. You can go to Settings, scroll down and select About Phone and tap on Kernel version for 7 times. It will give a message, you are now a developer. Go back to the previous menu and tap on Other Settings and select Developer Options and enable the option USB Debugging. After that, download and install into your PC Minimal ADB and Fastboot. You can Google it and download from XDA website. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Lastly, let's download the app More Local 2 from Aurora Store or APK Pure. Now plug your phone with a USB cable into your computer. Then scroll down from the top and tap here to change it to File Transfer MTP, and your phone will be detected from your computer. Now open Minimal ADB and Fastboot. Type ADB devices, and after a few seconds your smartphone will show a dialog Allow USB Debugging. Tick Always Allow from this computer and tap on Allow. Type this command ADB shell, and then you can copy and paste this command from the description in my video. Then type exit. Now you can open the app More Local 2 and choose your language. Go back to your home screen and all your apps will be translated in your favorite language. Remember that the apps that you want to be translated must support your language. Now let's talk about Google Apps. They will not work natively since there is a kind of block by the phone system. Anyway, we can use a workaround to make most of the Google apps work. First of all, we need to download a zip file. You will find the link in the description of my video, or you can go to Davide website. click on this link. Then, extract the zip file and copy this folder to your phone. Now let's go to the folder you just copied and install these APK files in this exact order. Now you have to log in your Google account. Now let's go back to the folder we have extracted and we can continue to install the remaining APK files. Lastly, we need to install the app 2 accounts from Aurora Store or APK Pure. This is a very important app that will let you use most of the Google apps. So once we open 2 accounts, we have to add the Google apps in it. And it's going to create a virtual copy. Remember that to make the Google Apps work properly, you have to use the virtual copies. If you long press on the app, you can add a shortcut to your home screen, so you don't have to open 2 accounts every time. Unfortunately, not everything is really working. Even Gmail app will not receive push notifications. But in this case, you can use alternative apps. For example, Bluemail is working really well with Gmail service. Another example is YouTube, where you can't log in. In this case, you can use YouTube Vanced. It is a modded version of YouTube that will work perfectly. You will be able to log in and it will offer some additional features. This last part of the tutorial, it's not strictly required, but it will help you to disable all the bloatware and all the tracking apps in order to improve security and privacy. First of all, let's plug our Hisense A5 Pro CC to the computer. Then scroll down and tap here to change it to File Transfer MTP. Open Minimal ADB and Fastboot and type ADB devices. Now you can copy and paste these commands from the description of this video or from Davide's website. In this way, you have disabled a lot of apps, but if you wish, you can go on and remove other Chinese apps that probably you won't need. So guys, I hope you could find this video helpful. In the description below you will find all the links, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any question. And this is a little spoiler for you. My next video will be about another very interesting Dasung e-ink product. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next videos. See you guys!